sharp enough to split a hailstone.
And like so tough lightning bolts, bounced right off.
He had size enough to run down a horse and a man in a stampede.
The songs the cowboy sang were his music.
His symphonies, sonatas, and operas.
They were his literature.
His prayers.
La-da-dee, la-da-dum, la-dee, la-da-dum, la-da-dee-dum, la-dee, la-dum, la-da-dee, la-da-dum, la-dee, la-da-dum, la-dee-dee-dum. Dear Lord, please hear this prayer of a weary, lonesome kind. Keep me fair and square. Let me wear thy sacred brand. Fill my soul with love and hope for my fellow man. Grant me grace from above and keep me a natural man. I'm thankful for the sun and the rain and the spacious starry skies. I ponder thy beauty in vain as it passes before my eyes. Fairest of all are the flowers of spring, a beautiful sight to behold. Thou hast done a wondrous thing and colored them red, rust, and gold. But it makes my heart a little sad that poets will never see this great and glorious natural land as thou hast given to me. When it comes my time to go, judge me for what I'm worth, and never, dear Lord, let me know if my